The Laribox Duo brush and accessories are used for cleaning a voice prosthesis. For your own safety, check the Laribox Duo brush for possible damage before use. Always select the correct size of the Laribox Duo brush according to the size of your voice prosthesis. The Laribox Duo brush cleaning brush with rounder tip is used to clean the inside of the voice prosthesis, and its rounder tip prevents accidental injuries to the mucous membrane. The cleaning sponge is used for the external removal of secretion residues. Please first moisten the brush with potable water for cleaning. Also moisten the sponge with potable water before use. If necessary, you can bend the cleaning brush individually to the required shape. To achieve good cleaning results, improve your vision with optimal lighting. Guide the cleaning brush carefully into the voice prosthesis. Move the brush back and forth, rotating it between your fingers. Carefully remove external secretions with the sponge. Please note, the sponge must not be inserted into the voice prosthesis. Special note: for a better view and more thorough cleaning results, you can attach the Laribox Stoma Light to the cleaning brush with the Laribox clip.